Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to handle for multiple windows. Okay, windows we can able to call as a tabs also. What exactly these windows and tabs mean? See, this is one web application. If you click this particular new browser window, then automatically it will open another window. This we can call it as a new web application, or we can able to set sub tabs. Okay, tabs. Between the tabs, okay, previous it will open as a new window is nothing but similar. Now this is a new window, right? This is a new window and this is another window. Okay, like this also it will be presented. Okay, that moment how we can able to handle. Okay, we are seeing that we saw that like uh, previous, like how we can able to handle for alerts. Okay, and also we saw about that frames, right? The similar format we need to go and do for windows as well. But this how we can able to read means there is a current window handle and window handles. Okay, there are two functionalities. Okay, current window is nothing but which is the browser. When the browser is open, that particular URL, right, that is called current browser session. It will read it. Okay, it will read and it will store that. Okay, each session it is like a unique ID. Okay, based upon that only we need to switch one after one. Okay, in case if you have multiple, then we need to switch one by one. Okay, then again what will happen, uh you need to switch into the another window, this particular window, and then we need to do our operations. Even you can able to get some question in a real time also when you are attending for the interview, how you can able to handle for multiple windows or frames. Okay, that moment you can able to say there is a current window and window handles. Current window to store when the web page is loaded. That particular window session it will store and keep it. That is called parent. We can able to call it. And handles, it will give the list of items that we need to store, and then we need to uh, rotate for each loop or for loop we can able to use, and then we need to verify. Okay, now simple, and we can able to go ahead and do this one now. Okay, copy this entire section. I'll delete from here to down, and I'll change into multiple windows. Okay, for this we are using this particular URL. I'm changing that URL as well. Once it is loaded, then we need to click this particular button. Okay, then I'm going to read this particular one, and you can see this is the value and the button it is presented. By using text we can click for this particular button. There is hashtag also there, can use for tag as well, button tag. Okay, this is my XPath. I'm storing this XPath here. Okay, you can show that. Okay, now this is XPath. I'm going to use here a driver or dot a find element, and by dot XPath, and I'm storing this XPath here dot click functionality. I'm clicking that functionality. Okay, once it is click, it will open for new window. Once it is open a new window, we need to read. Okay, or we need to wait some time also. We can use for hard coded time, or we can able to use thread dot sleep 2000 seconds. Like this you can able to use it, and you can do that, or else you can use for fluent wait or explicitly wait. Anything is okay. Okay, once it is open we need to read for, there are two things we need to do. Okay, one is we need to read for parent value. Okay, parent window value. Okay, how we can able to use string parent window equal to driver dot current window handle, which is browser is given one. Okay, then I'm going to read for where child or all windows, anything child windows, okay, and driver dot window handles. Okay, window handles, this will give you for the list of windows which is open for that new tabs. Okay, then we need to rotate for some for each loop. Okay, in that particular for each loop we can read and see that how many windows are there, one by one we can able to do it. Okay, now for each loop, and here where window in child windows. Okay, and then here if window not equal to parent window. Okay, then going to down, and we are using for driver dot switch to dot window. Okay, and in this particular place we need to specify our window. Okay, once we specify the window, automatically to switch into that particular location, and then we are going to use for the break, because it should not be like in case if you get 10 look windows, that moment every time it will switching that windows. Okay, once it is not matched, then we can come inside and we can able to break that one. Okay, and then once it is break, and we can able to read that present like URL, and we can print into our console application. Okay, child URL. Okay, plus driver dot URL. Okay, this function will return for current window one. Okay, and then we need to switch into the window. Okay, why we need to switch into the window? Because we need to work for version one as well. Okay, because of that we can able to do it. Okay, driver dot a switch to dot window, and we need to specify for parent window, because we need to switch the parent window. And again I'm going to print the same thing, because parent window it is switched that window or not. Okay, okay, now again we are running now. Okay, this particular session will say that whether we are able to done or not multiple windows. Okay, now you can see now it is switched, right? Okay, now you can see current child one. Okay, and parent one. Both the places it is same. 1 second. Sorry. It is giving the wrong data. See, because I'm outside, inside the reach view. the things it is able to switch. Now you can see, yeah, you can see, right? Now child window is the one, and parent window also it is present. Okay, both the values are perfect. It is coming. What exactly the mistake is happened, right? I have done for this particular things inside here. Okay, the for each loop inside that only, because it is already break the loop. That is the reason it is taken as a current window, which is before switching also to parent window itself. It is taken. Okay, I came out of that for each loop and then I worked out everything. Okay, just a small mistake on inside that. That is the reason it is given for parent one value only. If you copy paste again, small difference only. Just here, if you keep it right, current window value it will take. Means parent window only it will take. Now previous child and parent, right, both will be same. It is coming when we are see both are same parent on only it is coming. Now I made it for like we shifted into our down arrow place and then it is working as expected without any issue. Okay, just a small difference. Okay, I hope it this entire information for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.